You know, I work for the bus company.
Hey, how are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
Doing pretty good. You doing anything interesting today?
I'm supposed to be meeting up with Hillary Clinton and Patterson for lunch. I cannot wait for the weekend.
Doing something fun?
On to my next adventure. You know, it's nice being home for a bit, but it's about time I'm off.
Oh. Where are you off to?
I'm just gonna take a train down to Louisiana, and then I guess I'll just travel through Central and South America. You know, I can't say I've ever been to a rainforest before, so it'll be a nice change of pace.
Yeah, that's true. Well, would you consider staying for a few more days?
Why? There's really nothing I need to see. I only came up to see the shore in the city.
Well, I was going to tell you yesterday, but I really like you, and I think you're gorgeous.
So it's finally out in the open.
Yeah, the past couple days have been weird, but I figured I'd tell you.
I think you're cute too. Listen, I would stay, but it's kind of time I left. Definitely miss you, but it's kind of time I go, you know?
Yeah, just think about it, okay? Because you're just like amazingly amazing.
Morning, fucking gringos. Ellos dicen que yo soy una prostituta, pero mira ellos. Hasta que se mira el token.
Well, hello.
Still want to leave?
I'm having second thoughts.
Oh, well, look, here's my card. If you're not in Louisiana or England or wherever, I'd really like to see you again.
I don't have a phone, but I'll hold on to it. Something on your mind?
Do you believe in little white lies?
Depending on the situation. Why did you lie about something?
No, I just know someone who does.
Oh, gotcha. Well, I think lying's okay. Every now and then, as long as it doesn't hurt someone.
Well, the thing is, the person I know has hurt someone.
Are you that person?
Yeah.
That sucks.
I'm just going to say it. I really like you, but I talked to that hooker, Betty. She told me something about you.
You're talking to hookers now. What'd she have to say?
She said you were a little off your rocker, put it nicely.
Figures.
I'm like, look, I think you're amazing. You're funny, you're cute, you're a good kisser, but you're probably not even going to Louisiana or England. You probably never played chess with the queen or life with the sultan. I mean, how am I supposed to do this if you're going to lie to me all the time?
Alex, listen, it's not a big deal. Can you just please sit down?
I like you. I do, but I can't do this if you're just going to lie.
Alex, understand. It's
Look,
just...
I can help you. I just want you to get better.
You're just like everyone else. Listen, can you just stop now before you go any further?
Would you listen for a second? You're like one of the most incredible people I've ever met. I've only known you for a couple of days and I'm already convinced that I'm in love with you. The only problem is you and this I don't care about anybody else bullshit. You've dumped out plenty of advice from me in the past and now I'm going to do the same for you. You can't go around lying and leading people on like this. It's not fair. You're not a good person. And I want to help you because you need help.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You're so deluded with your own freaking lies that you think you're okay, but you're not. Why can't you understand that?
Because there's nothing wrong with me. And who are you to say how I should live my life? You enjoy your life based on the lives of celebrities. You know, if Miley Cyrus saw pictures of her boobs, you'd freak out and totally consume you. There's nothing wrong with me. Understand that.
Don't you go anywhere. You need help. And I can help you. Get it through your thick skull.
No, you can't, okay? Because there's nothing or no one that needs help. I don't need help with anything. Do you understand me? Do you understand? I'm fine. Trust me. I'm perfectly okay.
Nora, wait. Nora! Nora! Damn it. I just wanted to help her. She deserves it. She deserves it better. I'm sure she is.
Chico, who are you talking to?
It's myself. Did you see Nora?
I don't know names. I only know faces.
The girl I've been talking to. The crackhead?
Oh, nah. Was you guys screaming like assholes last night?
Yeah, you know why? Because I took your advice. I tried telling her how I really feel and she ran off.
And that's my fault?
Yeah, you know what? Just go away, please.
Listen, if you really wanted to help her, you wouldn't just be sitting here on the sidewalk. You'd be out there looking for her and not just give up.
What do you think I've been doing all day? I haven't just been sitting here.
Listen, when you really want something, you can't just stop. You will run and run and run till you're flat out exhausted, and you will run some more. You will be like Forrest fucking Gump, and you will run until you find your motherfucking jet.
You know, for someone who provides sexual favors for cash, you're actually pretty smart.
I know. I do what I can.
Hi.
Hi. Can I help you with something?
No. Hi, it's me, Nora.
Oh, good to finally find you after I've been chasing you down all night. But why you just...
Alex, can you be quiet for a second? Listen, we started on the wrong page, so I'm starting from scratch. I'm Nora.
I'm Alex?
Good to meet you. Well, I'm originally from New Jersey, live in New Brunswick. I'm a front desk assistant at a dentist's office in the city. I have 2 cats named Pickles and Whiskers. I only like Cocoa Puffs because it makes chocolate milk after you eat them. Never been to England. I've never been to India. I've never played chess with the Queen or life with the Sultan. I don't work for the bus company. I've never been to Australia either, and never had lunch with the mayor in Central Park. I have a crush on a boy named Alex. I'm a little messed up in the head, and I know that, but I'm working on it. I say mean things, I lie, I steal, I cheat, but that's because up until this point I had nothing to care about. I never gave a shit about anything, and I do, and I had something to care about. And look, I'm really, really sorry about last night.
It's okay. It's okay. Look, I'm just glad you're back. Look, I don't care if you never played chess with the Queen or life with the Sultan. I don't care that I have to run around at 3 in the morning to find you, and I don't care that we were a little messed up in the head. I wouldn't have it any other way.
Oh, shucks.
I just needed to find you and tell you that I love you so much. I don't want to be like the hooker who got hit by a bus.
What?
Long story. I got propositioned for sex by a very flexible prostitute. It's been a long night.
I can tell you're not looking like your usual self there, buddy.
You either. Why the change?
I guess you brought it out in me. You know, last night after we talked, I went straight home. I was so upset about everything, but then I finally came to my senses. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me. I don't want to lose that. You maybe want to change for the better.
It's a good change. You look beautiful.
Thanks. Don't you work today?
I do, but someone once told me it's my life. I can do what I want with it. I'm going to be a writer.
Look at you. What made you decide this?
The unicorn knocked some sense into me.
Oh, so you're the crackhead. Cute. I see you two are made up. Good to see you. You know, I do couples too. You'll know where to find me.
Now that I think about it, we haven't exactly had a date yet. How about we make that happen?
Sounds like a plan. Where's the bus? Shouldn't the bus be here by now?
Oh, whatever.
brain just like when I crack that whip, everybody goes just like a circus. And they're watching me, follow me, show me what you can do.
Where's the goddamn bus? Hey, buddy, how are you? Guess what? I'm at the bus stop, and there's no bus! Yeah, well, do you know where it is? Do you know what time it's gonna be here? Fine, I'll wait, okay? I'll see you in a few, bye. Oh my God, Kim Kardashian, you lying cunt.
Why do you read that gossip crap?
It's important news. I gotta keep myself updated with current events. Oh, do you know what time the bus is gonna be here?
Yeah, actually I do. I work at headquarters for the bus company.
Oh, great.